Welcome back, y'all. This is Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and we are in the reserves at Trinity today looking at a Clarity home. I cannot wait to show you this home. Let's go. This model has 4 bedrooms and a flex space with 3 full bathrooms. Plus, I really love how open this living room is to the kitchen. Okay, one of the cool things about this neighborhood is that the yards are actually pretty big. So if you look at Walsh subdivision, which is pretty close by, I would say it's probably 8 to 10 minutes from here. Also new construction, a similar style neighborhood, but these yards are way bigger. Okay, another thing that's really great about this neighborhood is that it is only like 3 or 4 minutes to the best grocery store in Texas, H-E-B, and the cutest compounding pharmacy with like all the health food stuff that you could want. I used to drive 30 to 35 minutes to get out here when I lived in Fort Worth, just so I could go to those stores. And it's a 4-minute drive right down the highway from here. Okay guys, super sunny, and we are gonna walk right over to the amenity center. and I hope that you loved this tour of Willow Park. It's a little city that's in Aledo ISD. I would love to help you move to Aledo, Fort Worth, Weatherford. I love it here. So I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye-bye. So I have no idea how to play bocce ball, but I feel like we should try it. What do you think?